Okay, so all the new teachers, you when you join, make sure that you are part of PT teachers Google Classroom group. You will see PT teachers written over here. Okay, and once you are part of PT teachers group, you can simply scroll down to see what all has been shared in this group. If you're not part of this group, then please reach out to Rachna ma'am. You might have already known her. So tell her to make you a part of PT teachers group. This is very important so that you do not miss out on all the updates related to your training sessions. So as you scroll down, you will find different people have posted different things. Some of the students have also mentioned their assignment task links, and some teachers have mentioned the uh, posts or notifications related to the sessions. For example, here under the name of Pallavi Patil, there is this Roblox 3D game designing training session one. So all the titles have been listed, and in my posts at least. So there you will find all the necessary details related to that particular day's training session. All the videos of JavaScript training sessions have been posted in the same group, same page. You have to simply scroll down and look for JavaScript related posts. I have also mentioned the session number, whether it is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. So there are total 6 sessions have been conducted for JavaScript. Today's was the last one. There is also one post that you will find here, which is focused only for the newly joined teachers, which is this one. So, as mentioned, first go through all the video training sessions that have been listed for you guys to refer and learn from. Then also you can also go through all the practice tasks or some assignments that had been given for teachers to practice. So there are these multiple project tasks that you can attempt, and all the latest updates have been posted right above that. Session 6 was the last session. So we have covered module 1 and module 2 for EA JavaScript, uh, just for learning purpose. Module 3 is all about gamification. You'll be learning about mouse events and keyboard events from that document. It's quite easy. If you are able to complete all the tasks given for module 1 and module 2, then you will be able to easily pick up module 3 variations as well. And I'll be posting all the Roblox, which is a 3D game designing platform, all the Roblox related work on this same PT teachers group as well. Now, the another easy way to find all these things is you simply go to classwork right above this and look for all the items that have been listed on the left hand side. And soon I'll be creating a different folder altogether so that it becomes easy to fetch these things. So here, class drive folder, if you open the class drive folder, then you have JavaScript training sessions and Roblox training session. I have simply moved all the JavaScript training sessions to one folder. Unfortunately, I couldn't get enough time and mind space to uh, notify which video is of which day. So if you could simply go through it and get that done, that would be really nice. Here, going forward, I'll be maintaining Roblox training session very well. So all these videos will be written as Roblox session 1, Roblox session 2, so on and so forth, so that it is easier to track. Okay, that's it for now. If there is anything else, let me know.